Hello guys, Top Boy here again with this new update. I'm gonna show you this website that pays you 0.1 Litecoin for completing a simple task, and you can actually earn more than that if you continue and if you do more tasks on the website. Stay with me to the end to see how you can earn 0.1 Litecoin from this website. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell and join my Telegram channel also, because I don't always post everything here. So stay with me to the end. I'm gonna open the website using Chrome browser. So I'll be posting the link of this website on the description box. So here is the website. Name of the website is Easylite. This website is gonna pay you 0.1 Litecoin. As you can see, this is a new account. I've only done just 3 tasks here and 5 game played. I haven't referred anyone. Look at this one. Let me just do the easy one here now. This one is a faucet. You claim this one every hour, every 59 seconds, every 59 minutes. 59 minutes. You come and claim this. What you have to do here is just to verify that you are not a human and you are a human and tap this ready to claim. This one, you do it every hour. Let me say an hour. Come here and do it. But this is not the main thing that pays you 0.1 Litecoin. As you can see, the highest you can earn here if you are in level 8 is 0.02. This is part of earning though, but I will show you other places. Let me just verify this quick and claim this real fast. This one you have to come back and do. You can see I have successfully claimed this one. But let me show you the real deal of this website. You come here and we come down. You come down to this tax. As you can see there, they added fire emoji here to see this is the main place. You can do survey, you can play game, you can open short link, and you can do the faucet, the one I just finished doing right now, and you can claim bonuses. But let me show you this one. Tax. Come here. This is the main message. As you can see here, fake proof will lead to immediate suspension of your account. So if you are doing this, you have to do it legitly. Don't try to trick them. See, look at this first task. There are 2 tasks here actually. Well, let me show you this first one. I have already done this one though. Let me just show you how to do this. This is not the main one. This one you only earn 50,000 Litecoin. So this one is not it's not anything though, but it's something. You will see, this is the site you are gonna go. This trust pilot. You only have to rate them on this site. That's what you're gonna do. Just rate them on this site. If you don't know how to do it, it's very easy though, but if you don't know how to do it, just come and click here. If you click here, you see the instruction on how to do it. They will redirect to the video. You can watch how to do it. I've done my own actually. So what you have to do here is just click on the site and rate them and write anything about the site and submit. So on the site, on that trust pilot site, you have to wait like an hour. We now go back and copy the link of that your review and paste it here and submit. So they will reward you this 50k Litecoin. But this is where the main deal is here now. As you can see, create a video, a YouTube video about us. Video length. The video length should have a minimum length of at least 3 minutes. This means the video will be longer than 3 minutes. And the title description text include this easylite.io there in the video title. Referral addition. Okay, this one you have to add your referral link to the description. That one is a normal thing. this view requirement, the video must reach at least 350 plus views on YouTube before you can be eligible to get this reward. And you can, when after doing all those things, you now copy the link of the video from YouTube and paste it here, submit. Then they reward you with this 1 million Litoshi. This is how you can get the 0.1 Litoshi from this website. It's not actually hard. It's very easy. Just make a video like this one I'm doing right now, and you paste the link here, and you can get your reward. That's how it goes. Very easy. So you can do other tasks here on this website and gain many other things. Many things like this short link. You can come here and open some short link. All this they will direct you to a site. You do the simple tasks and you will earn this reward. You can earn a lot of reward from this site. Like, it's very easy way to earn from this site. And you can always come back here every 20, like every hour. You can see hourly claim and come and claim this. This one is just simple tasks that you have to do on this website. And this website is legitimately paying people. It's paying a lot of people, and their website like is very user friendly. It's not even hard to use. Even a newbie will be able to use this website. So that's it for today. Make sure you join my Telegram channel and subscribe to my channel for more if you want to get more video like this, and turn on the notification bell, because I always, anytime I post, you will get notification. That one is very important. So this is it for today. Make sure you don't take this site don't take it for a joke. This site is paying a lot of people. I know how much I have earned from this website. If I show you my Bybit wallet now, I have more than, I don't want to even say it there. I have withdrawn a lot from this site. So take it very serious. Thank you guys for watching the video to the end. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks.